Okay, guys, where are everyone? Okay, so yesterday, what we did the sum part. Do you guys have any doubt in that? Tell me, Agatha, David, do you have any doubt in the yesterday's homework?
Well, I have doubt on the 31 question and the 33 question.
Okay, so we'll solve that part. So, good morning to all. We welcome you again in the NXT classes. And why I'm saying that because I am spending my time in finding out the PDF. That is why I'm saying anything so that you guys can be engaged. And the Mosam is good. I mean, the weather is good here. And still, I'm not getting the PDF. Where is the PDF? And I got the PDF. Today is Thursday. Date is 23 July. Wow, the PDF is not here. Oh, brother. I got it. Okay. Okay, guys. So, where were we? We. Okay. So, question number 31, no?
Yeah, and
Okay.
33.
You have 31 as a doubt. So Agatha has doubt of 31 question. Let me take out the PDF, screenshot of that so that I can share you. This one? This one, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. A sum of money, 18,522 in 3 years, and it become 19,448.10 in 4 years. Means that's some money which I don't know. When it is invested for 3 years, it was like that. When it is invested for 4 years, it was like that at the same rate of interest. So it is compounded annually also. Find the sum and the rate of interest per annum. Good question. Okay, we put the principal and then we get the rate. Okay, so we have the principal which we take as x because the sum amount is we don't know. Okay, and no, sum of money becomes yes, and amount in 3 years. So I am writing A3 as 8522, and A4, which is amount in 4 years, become 19448.1. Okay, and this is in 4 years, and compounded interest. Sorry, compounded annually is given. What is given? Compounded annually. So for the A3, the principal is same and the rate is also same. But what is the value of NT? What is the value of NT? Anybody know? Uh, Miracle, Agatha, you have to unmute your mic and say.
First case it's 3. Second case
Three.
is 4.
Correct, because it's compounded annually. So amount is 18522 is equals to P into 1 plus R upon 100 into 3. Did you understand? Say yes or no, everyone. David, Miracle, everyone got this? Okay. Now, can I make the denominator same and can I write it like this? 100 plus r upon 100 power 3. Hmm? Okay. So, what will I do now? I will do one thing. I will do step by step so that you guys can understand. Can I write it like this? Can I write it like this? What I did, there is a common power. I make the this power 3 and this power. Did you understand? For more simplification, can I send this to that side? It will become 18522 into 100 power 3 upon 100 plus r power 3 is equals to p. Agatha, David, Miracle, Abraham, did you understand what I did here? Abraham, did you understand? No, no. Shall I explain this?
Yes, sir. Can you explain that again?
Yeah. So, from which step? First, second, third, fourth.
Yeah, from the third step.
Third step, what I did, first I make like there's a common power. So 3 is the power of the numerator also, and 3 is the power of the denominator also. So I split that power into
Okay.
3 and 3. Now this 100
Okay,
is in
sir.
division form. It will go to that side. It will multiply like this.
Okay, sir.
Okay, like this. And this 100 plus r has the power of 3. Okay, now it is in multiplication form. It will go and it will divide like this.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so I got this. In the same way, we have to do the A4 one also. Like A4 is equals to P into 1 plus R upon 100 as the power 4. Now A4 is 19448.1. No, it's not plus. Multiply. And the P, and the same thing I will do. 100 plus R, okay, upon 100 and the common power is 4. Got it? Say yes or no, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can I write it like this? 1448.1 is equals no. Yeah, is equals to P into 100 plus R has the power of 4 upon 100 has the power of 4. So 19448.1 into 100 power 4 upon 100 plus r power 4 is equals to p. The same thing. Did you understand, guys? David, Miracle, everyone got it? Say
Yes,
yes
sir.
or no. Okay.
Yes.
Now, this whole thing is equals to p. This whole thing is also equals to p. Means they both are equal. Are you with me? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Mhm. So, from this, what we can say? From this, we can say that 8522 into 100 power of 3 upon 100 plus r power of 3 is equals to 19448.1 into power of 4 upon 100 plus r power of 4. Did you listen? Say
Yes,
yes or
sir.
no.
Yes, sir.
Everyone turn on your camera, please. Now it will go that side and it will multiply because division is there, so it will multiply. So it's gonna be look like this: 8522, 8522, 8522. Just give me a second. 8522 into 100 power of 3 into 100 plus r power of 4, okay, upon 100 plus r power of 3 is equals to 19,448.1 into 100 power of 4. Did you understand what I did? Abraham, did you understand this step? I sent this to the other side like this. Now, till here, who has doubt? Because now we will do the solution part. But till here, who has doubt? Please ask me. I will explain this again.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, everyone is in majority with miracle. Abraham, you have any doubt, beta? Ask me.
No, sir.
No?
So will we
Okay.
solve another like this can sum? Can we solve
Sorry.
another? So can you show me another sum like this, sir?
Are there some like this? Okay, it may be in the book. If it is not there, I'll try to search it in internet. Okay,
I
because
was a bit
these sums.
I was not able to understand it completely.
Okay, you are not able to understand completely from which step? Tell me. I'll explain.
Sir, I
No,
don't
no.
know,
Say
sir,
that.
because I just joined in a few minutes back, and then I had to shut my computer off. I'm sorry, sir.
Okay, so you don't know what is going on right now. It's like that. No, no. You want me to explain from starting?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now listen everyone to Christiana also who joined recently. Okay, turn on a camera, David, Christiana Miracle. Okay, so we have a sum of money which we don't know. It's become 18522 in 3 years and 19448.10 in 4 years. This is the amount in 4 years, and the rate of interest is same, and it is compounded annually. We have to find the sum, which is the principal, and the rate, which is. Did you understand? So I wrote the values. Principal, which is unknown, I took it as x. Amount 3 means amount in 3 years, become 18522. Amount 4 means amount in 4 years, which is this. Did you understand till here, Abraham? Now, because it's compounded annually, so for 3 years we will apply 3 times interest. We will use 3 times interest. So in that value, the NT value will be 3. Did you understand, Abraham? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Now, now here the denominator is 1. I have to make denominator 100. So I will multiply 100 up and 100 down. So it become 100 plus R and the common denominator 100. Did you understand?
Yes, sir. So can we just cancel 0, 0?
This 0 and this 0?
Yes, sir.
No. Why? Because here is we have plus. Got it? If it is multiply, then we can do that. But it is plus, we can't do that. Got it? Hmm? Now, there is a common power 3. I split them into 2. And I send this to the that side, so it is in divide. It will go and it will multiply. And this is in multiply. It will go and it will divide. Gonna be look like this. When multiply things goes to the other side of the equals to, it divide. When divide things goes other side of the equals to, it multiply. Na? So like that. Got it? Abraham, still here? Same
Yes, sir.
I did with the amount 4 also. Same thing. You want me to explain? No, no? Okay. Now this whole thing is also equals to principal, and this whole thing is also equals to principal. So it means that they both are equal. Hmm? So I equate them. This is equals to this, like this. Got it? Abraham, did you understand? Now the
Yes, sir.
last step which I did, I sent this division, which is 100 plus r has the power of 4 to the other side. It will multiply. This was the last step. Okay. Now what will I do? 18522 into 100 plus r as the power 4 upon 100 plus r as the power 3 is equals to 19448.1 into 100 has the power of 4 upon 100 has the power of 3. Now what did I did here? So this is in multiply. It will go that side. It will divide. This step I did. Now why I am doing this? Why I am doing this? See, if I will check this, the base is same, power is different, and they are in division form. So what is the rule for that? If base is same, power is different, and they are division form, then power will subtract. So it gonna be look like this: 18522 into 100 plus r, and this will become 4 minus. In the same way, this will also become like this: 19448 point 1 into 100, and the power will become 4 minus. Did you understand why it become minus, Miraculin, Christiana?
So I'm not understanding this step 4 minus 3.
Yeah. So that there is a one concept in exponents. Okay. If the base is same, like a has the power of m and a has the power of n. So when base is same, which is a, and the power is different, which is m and n, and if they are in division form, then we can write this thing as a m minus n. For example, for clarity, I can write one example also. 2 has the power of 7 upon 2 has the power
I
of
understand.
5. Okay, so I can write 2 7 minus 5, which is 2 to the power 2, like this. Okay,
Yes, sir. So I have a
and one more.
question.
Yeah, let me complete this, then I will take a question. One more thing to clarify is I can write 2 as 7 times: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. And then 2 is 5 times. I can cut with this, cut with this, cut with this, cut with this, cut with this. So how many 2's are left? 2 to the power 2. So this is the clarification of this property. Did you understand? So instead of just writing every time, you can subtract the power if base is same and power is different and if they are multiplying. Yes, Ibrahim. Now your questions, please.
So
Hmm.
you said you put 100 plus R.
Hmm.
So how did you remove the 100 plus R?
How did I?
Put 100 plus R was there, sir.
100 plus R is coming from up only, no? Here. From here we are getting 100 plus R. Like I got 100 plus R has a power of 3. It goes that side, it will divide. In this also,
So
100
move
plus.
it to the other side.
Yeah, we are taking it to the other side so that it can be equals to principal only. And then we can equate it. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, Virakin, do you have doubts?
So
No, sir.
Yes. Yes, Abraham.
no, sir. I understand.
Understood? Okay. So we have now 1 8, sorry, 18522 into 100 plus r has the power of 1, which is what? And it will become 19448.1 into 100 has the power of 1. Okay. So now what I can do, I can write it like this: 100 plus r is equals to 19448.1 into 100 upon 18522. Okay. What I did, it is in multiply, it go to that side, it will divide. Now if I will remove this point, it will 10 will come. This and this will cut. Now we have to check that, like we have to simplify them to get the answer. So if I will simply divide that, What's the number? 1944810. 1944810 divided by 18522. I got answer as 105. Okay, so if you will divide it, you will get answer as 105. So it is 105, then R will be 105 minus 100, then R will be 5%. Got it? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir. Like so when are we actually are we just being taught how to do these big addition, subtraction, equations like this in this class, or did we also learn it in 8th class or something?
I mean, we have to simplify it with the same table.
I mean, like, when do we learn this thing?
I mean, this is small class concept only. Like we have the number 194, okay, sorry, 1944810 upon 18522. So we can cut with the table of 2 first, then we can cut it like 3, 7, 9. Then we have to do step by step to get the answer. Okay, got it, everyone? Abraham, Christiana, David, Miraculin, got it?
Got it, sir.
Okay. Now, one more doubt you have, no, Agatha? Which question?
33rd. 33.
33. Okay. Write it down quickly, this question. Then in 2 minutes, we'll start the 33. Abraham, are you writing this? No? Abraham, can you hear me? Quickly write it down. I'm coming in 1 minute. Done writing, guys? Done? Yeah, yeah. So we have to calculate the, right now we calculate this thing. Wait. Now we have to calculate the principal also. So what you will do, okay, you will just write here as 5. Everyone got this? You have to put the value of in this equation or in this equation wherever you if you want. You just put the value of rate as 5 and then you have to solve it to get the principal. Will you do that? Will you do that, everyone? Say yes or
Yes.
no.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you just have to put the value of 5, so it will become 105 cube.
Yeah.
Okay, then you and your maths will be done. Okay, so what now we'll do the 33rd 33rd question. Here we At what rate percent per annum will a sum of 12,000 amount to 15,972 in 3 years when the interest rate is compounded annually? So we have to find that what rate will be there. Okay, so can anybody tell me what is principal, amount, rate, and everything? So who is that volunteer? Nobody's there?
Sir, can I?
Yes, please. Go on.
I think principal is 12,000.
Very good.
Amount is 1,500 and like 15,972.
Very, very good.
And the N is 3 years.
Anti.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
like
NT.
anti. When you call anti, please give me the voucher that anti. That anti is 3 years. And
We have to find the R. We don't know what is R.
we have to find the R. Yes. This is R contrary, but we have to find the R. Okay. So we have amount is equals to principal into 1 plus R upon 100 into NT. Please give me
Like
the water.
when I
Yes.
was I was looking into the guide once. So
Hmm.
you are writing big R, but in that guide they wrote like small R. Is that correct?
See, I am the big guy. So I used to write
Oh
big.
God.
There is no problem in that. Okay. Okay. I mean, yeah. So the amount is basically 15,972 is equals to 12,000 into 1 plus r, which I don't know, and the nt is 3. So I will write nt as 3. So 15,972 divided by 12,000 will be 1 plus r upon 100 and the 3. Okay, now of course these types of question will come. We have to make the this thing in the power of 3. So you guys can do and tell me what I can write 15,972 in the power of 3. Go ahead. 6, then 18, then 9, then 3. 3, 1, 3, 3, 1. 6 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 1. Guess. 11, no? Yes, 11. 11, 1, 2, 1. Then 11. 11, 11. So I got 2 to the power 2 into 3 into 11 to the power of 3. Okay, and in the denominator, we have to calculate it for 12,000. So, of course, 12,000, no? This will become 12 lakh. What is this behavior? Okay, so 2, 6,000, 2, 3,000, 2, how much? 1,500, 2, 750, 2, 355, no, 325, no, 375, 5, no, we'll take the 3. 3, it will become how much? 1, 1, 2, 5, then 5, it will become 25, then 5, 5, 5, 1. So it means that I can write this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 to the power 5 into 3 into 5 to the power 3. 3. Got it? So again, the same concept we will use, base same, power different, and we are dividing. So it will become, we'll do one thing, this and this will cut, okay, and this will become like this, 2 into 2. So it will become 11 to the power 3 upon 2 to the power 5 minus 2 into 5 to the power 3. Now, guys, in the previous question, now please pay attention just for a while. Please, please. In the previous question, we take this to the upstairs and write like this 4 minus 3 in the numerator. But why I am writing right now in the denominator? Because the big power, like 5 is the big, no, as compared to 2. So there it will go. If big power is in the denominator, so we'll shift this to the denominator. If big power is in the numerator, like in this case, then we'll take this small power to the numerator. Did you understand? So always the big power will come, and where it is existing, we'll take that part above, like numerator, numerator, denominator, denominator. Got it, Miracle? David, Christiana, Abraham.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, please remember this thing. Don't get confused. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so it will become 11 power upon 2 power 3 into 5 power 3 is equals to 1 plus r upon 100 power 3. Now they everyone has a power of 3, so I will take out the common 11 upon 2 into 5, and they has a common power 3. 1 plus r upon 100 has a power 3. This 3 and this 3 will cut, so it will become 11 upon 10 is equals to 1 plus r upon 100. So now we have to solve this. 11 is equals to 100 plus r upon 100. Okay, now this will go that side. So it will become 1100 upon 10 is equals to 100 plus r. This and this will cut, and this will go that side. So 110 minus 100 is equals to r. 10 is equals to r. HP guess. Yes, done.
Yes, sir. Yesterday, when I was doing the sum, I was just
Mm.
confused how the 10 came. Now I'm clear. Like,
Yeah, you can give thanks to me.
sir, is there any trick
Yes.
like the there are a lot of sums, and in this chapter, like lot of uh fo-
Calculation.
formulas are also there. So for
Hmm.
which kind of sums should we use, like which kind of formula? So is there any trick?
Um, Trick is, I mean, I made it in the trick only that when it is compounded annually, compounded semi-annually, same formula is there. We have to use the anti part. We have to
Yeah.
play with the anti
Okay,
and
sir.
rate also. Don't forget about the rate. And
Okay.
simple interest formula is that. So you just have like in the question, first write what is given,
Okay.
then check what they ask. And
Okay,
when
sir.
you check that, then you just have to solve according to the formulas. And if you will do step by step, now then there is no problem in that. Like right now, I can complete this sum in 4 or 5 steps also. But
Okay.
I am completing in this minimum 10 steps. That why? Because you guys can also understand, and you guys also have to do the in the exam in the steps. Even though the question takes 2 page, 3 page, the whole mark sheet, no problem in that. Okay, write all the steps. Missing steps, it's like many times it will give error to your answer also, as well as the teachers or the examiner will think maybe in last of the moment he wrote it from somewhere else mark sheet. Examiner don't know na, that we are believer. Examiner know that there is a student. Even the name is also not mentioned. Okay, so maybe like that.
So I
So
have
that is what
a question, doubt in question um
question.
25.
Same Tamil exercise, no?
Yeah.
A certain amount of money was deposited for 5 years. Simple interest rate is 12% per annum was paid and fine. Calculate the sum, simple interest. So
So
it's a
no, no,
simple
it's
interest. So
28, sir. Sorry, sir. 28.
the difference between the simple interest and the sum of money on a sum of money for 3 years and the difference between simple interest and sum of money for 3 years and for 2 years. Okay. So simple interest for 3 years and simple interest for 2 years, the difference is 300 rupees. Got it? No.
Okay, sir.
So basically simple interest. Okay. So it's like simple interest in 3 years. So it's like SI3 minus simple interest in 2 years is 300 rupees. Got it? No.
Got it,
Simple
sir.
interest for no, yeah, correct. 3 years and 2 years, 300 rupees, and the rate is given. How much rate is given? Two,
Um,
10%, no?
10%.
10%. Now we have to first calculate the simple interest for 3 years. Then we'll calculate the simple interest of 2 years. Then we'll subtract it. Simple as that. How? We know that simple interest formula is P into
Into
R
R
into
into
T
T by 100.
upon 100. Now simple interest for 3 years. I'm writing SI3. Okay. So P I don't know. R 10 time 3 years upon 100.
Okay.
So SI3 will be 30p upon 100. And if I will simplify more, so SI3 will be 3p upon 10. Got
Okay, sir.
it?
Yeah. Got it.
Same we have to calculate for the SI2. So same formula, but p into 10 into 2 upon 100. This and this will cut. So SI2 will be 2p upon 10. Now we have to put the values into this.
Okay, sir.
So 3p upon 10 minus 2p upon 10 is equals to 300. Now denominator are already same. Why will multiply it? We will not
Yeah.
multiply it. So it will become 3p minus 2p upon 10 is equals to 300. This will go that side will multiply. So 3p minus 2p is p. Like 3x minus 2x is x, no? So in the same way, 3p minus 2p is p is equals to 3000. We got the answer.
Okay, sir, got it.
Okay, simple. You make the equation, you write it, find it, you get the marks.
The
Okay,
diff- the most difficult part is like making the cube or the square, like you know.
that is why it's in the 10th, no? It's a
um,
difficult thing. In the 10th, they will not see right beta A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. No, no. They will say why the A, B, C, D is there. What is the value of A? What is the value of B? Uh, I have my nephew, Zoe. I can't ask that what is the value of A. He will say, right now she's saying like
You
that
mean
only.
niece, right?
I mean, niece, nephew, whatever. I mean, don't go in that word, go in emotion, what I'm trying to say. That A, B, C, D is for her. For you, it's 10th class, it's like finding the value of A. That is the value. Okay, guys, only 1 minute break. Come back, we'll start the class by 11:30. Quickly come back.
Bye, sir.
Till then,
Bye.
bye, Jeshwant. Bye, bye. Okay, guys, come back. Come back, come back. Turn on your camera, everyone. We'll start the class because we don't have much time. So put a heading
Sir,
magnification. Yes.
my net is really spotty. My mom is using for some stuff also, so I won't be able to turn on
Ah,
video.
it's okay.
Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. No problem. So put a heading magnification. Now for a revision, everyone turn on your camera except Nidhi. Okay. So please turn on your camera. Christiana, David, Joshua, Abraham. Please turn on your camera. Perfect. So yesterday we learned about the lens formula. We learned about the sign convention also. Christiana, what is the lens formula? Can you tell me please?
So
One up.
1f
One
minus
upon f is
1
one upon
upon
f is equals to
is equals to 1 upon u minus 1 upon v
no. First
plus.
v will come, then u will become. So
Okay.
1 upon v minus 1 upon u. Okay.
Okay.
So 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. This is a magnification, and yesterday we learned about the how to do the sign convention also. Yes, we did that part. Now today we will learn about magnification. It is same as the mirror formula. Okay, magnification stands for that how the image is magnified. It is larger or it is smaller. So basically the same thing, which stands for M stands for H dash upon H. Here, M stands for magnification, H dash stands for image height, H stands for object height. So we have this thing, okay, for the magnification. Okay, but there is one more formula which is important. H dash upon H. Now, what is the formula for the mirror formula? It is minus V by U. Na? In the mirror formula, it is minus V by U. In this, it will be V by U, where V stands for image distance and U stands for object distance. So, what is the difference in the lens formula and the mirror formula? Minus plus difference. Nothing else. Okay. In the mirror formula, it was 1 upon F is equals to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. That is mirror formula. Lens formula, it's 1 upon F is equals to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. Got it?
Got it, sir.
Okay. Yes. We're saying something? No? Oh, okay. Now we'll do some question. I'll write one question. So you guys also write it down with me. Then we'll solve it.
So, U is only object. It's not
Say,
distance.
say it again.
U, like B is image distance, so U is object distance.
Yeah, U is the object distance and V is the image distance.
Okay, so you only wrote objects, so I got confused.
Object distance. Okay, just give me a second. Yeah. Okay. So object distance it will be. Okay. Now, an object. Okay, I'm writing the question. Please write it down with me. An object of height. Okay. Everyone turn on the camera. David, Joshua, Recklin, Christiana. Please turn on the camera. Okay. Perfect. So we have this question. So Joshua, can you read this, please?
An object at 5 centimeters is
Of height. Of height. Sorry. Of height 5 centimeter.
placed so I can't really read it, so
20 centimeter. 20 centimeter
Away from the.
You can't read that?
No, sir.
My God. You are insulting the gold medal Henry Stringham.
An object of height 5 centimeters is placed to 20 centimeters away from the magnifying glass lens having focal length 10 centimeters. Calculate image distance, image height, magnification, nature, lens, or the object, or the diagram.
Diagram. So it's not nature, it's nature. बेटा यहाँ का एक second. Okay, guys, sorry for that. Sorry. Okay. So, first of all, Joshua, can you tell me what we will write? What is given in the question? Okay, quickly you tell me, beta. Unmute,
The
unmute. Huh. Yeah.
5 centimeters and 10 centimeters, sir.
Yeah, 5 centimeters what?
5 centimeters at height.
Image height. So I will write h as 5 centimeters. Am I doing any mistake?
No, sir.
And then what is the object distance? Object distance is
20.
yeah, which can be represented as u. But object, मतलब u is always negative, na? We learn in the lens and the mirror. So u will be minus 20. Hmm? Now it's a magnifying glass. Yes, it's a magnifying glass, no? Huh? So if it is a magnifying glass, so which lens is this?
Convex?
Convex, correct? So we got the lens that this lens is convex lens. Okay, did you understand? And now the focal length will be in the convex lens. What is the focal length? Positive or negative? Christiana will tell me. Christiana, only Christiana. Come on.
Sir, since it's placed like in convex lens, it's negative.
Negative. Okay. Joshua, can you correct it? Is it correct or wrong? Is it
Correct.
saying correct? Okay, convex lens focal length is negative. Betya, what about you? Don't know? Very good.
So it's positive.
Yes, convex lens. I told you yesterday, na, we wrote on the top of the copy, like this is a convex lens and this is optical center. If a light, like we use always focal length of this side, no? Christiana, are you getting this what I'm trying to say? No.
I got it, sir.
I got it or forgot it?
I forgot it. Now I got it.
Okay, so got it and forgot it and Messi is a goat. Okay, sorry for that. So F, basically I'm very hungry, that's why I'm getting very bad jokes right now. But try to understand my feeling also and my stomach ache also. Okay, so focal length is plus 10 centimeters. Okay, Christiana and Bethia. That is why you're not doing the homework or not sending because you're not getting it. So please do the homework on time. So focal length is 10 centimeters. Got it, guys? Say yes or no? Okay. Now focal length is 10 and height of the object is 5. We have to calculate the V. The V. So we have the formula 1 upon F is equals to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. I'll put the values which is 1 upon 10 is equals to 1 upon V. I don't know. What is the V? I don't know. Minus of 1 upon minus 20. Why minus 20? Because the value of U is minus 20. So it gonna be look like this. This will go subtract is equals to 1 upon V. So now I have to make the cross multiplication. So it becomes 20 minus 10 upon 200 is equals to 1 upon V. And then it will become 10 upon 200 is equals to 1 upon V. And then V will be 200 by 10 is equals to V is equals to 20 centimeters. Now, Christiana, you didn't understand anything, na? Ask me better.
I understood, sir.
Okay, you understood? But don't forget, okay? So it is 20 centimeters. Now, 20 centimeter means the image is this side only because object is placed, this is negative. Then this is positive, no? That is correct answer. Did you understand? Say yes or no? No. Okay?
So, like how we got 200? 200.
I told you, you have to understand this signal. This, this, and this. This 2 in 20 into 1, 20, 10 into 1, 10, and 20 into 10, 200.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now we have to calculate the height of the object. So we have the formula h dash upon h is equals to v upon u. Now h dash, I don't know. H is how much? 5? 5. And v is 20 and u is minus 20. This and this will cut, so the answer will be minus 1. So h dash is equals to minus 5 centimeter. Means we got the height of the image as minus 5 centimeter. Got it? So height of the image is minus 5 centimeter. Yes? Abraham, did you understand? Are you
Sir,
getting this? Yes.
the image distance 20 centimeter it's positive. So
Hmm.
is it this question is in the
There is
first
a lot of background noise. Can you tell me again?
sorry. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, so image distance is 20 centimeter, so it's positive 20 centimeter. So this should be in the first 5 cases, right?
Yeah, in first 5 cases.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. Now we got this also. Now we are calculating about magnification. Magnification formula is h dash upon h. So h dash is minus 5, h is 5. I got answer as minus. Okay, nature is real inverted, and then you have to draw the diagram. So of course, the focal length is 10 centimeter, and the object distance is 20 centimeter. You will get an image at object at. Are you getting my point? No. For example, I will draw this. This is F1. This is 2F1. This is F2, and this is 2F2. So of course, the focal length is 10. This is 10. This is also 10. So 10 plus 10 will be 20. So it means that object will be at 2F1. So the image will be at 2F2 because if you will see the diagram, you will get that. And that is also 20. And we got the answer also as 20. Correct? Christiana didn't understand anything or forgot everything.
I understood, sir.
Got it? Abraham, did you understand? No. Abraham, ask me better. So you have to draw the diagram neatly at, at your home where you are right now.
Okay, sir.
Joshua, did you understand? No. Ask me better.
Sort of, sir, but I don't have any doubt.
Okay.
So can you do magnification one more time?
Magnification. What is the formula of magnification? Height of image upon height of object.
Yeah.
Height of image I got -5. Height of object is 5. -5 divided by 5 is -1.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Minus. Okay, done. Now put. Okay, so I'll give some questions for homework because David is enjoying the homework. So we'll give more questions, and
Right.
now we'll do the last part of the class, which is called as power. Power.
Sir, we can't hear you.
I think because he's not talking to us.
Sir, did you send? Oh, yeah.
So we put a last topic of this chapter, which is called as power. Now, power is basically, now listen, guys, this is an important thing. Last topic, so please pay attention. The thing is, I have two lens diagram. This is the first one, in which this is f2, and this is 2f2, and this is second diagram, in which this one is f1 and this one is 2f2. Sorry, this one is f2 and this is 2f2. Got it, everyone? Now we have two diagrams. Listen, guys, what is the first rule of the lens? What is the first rule of the lens? If a line is, tell me, anybody, if a line is parallel to the principal axis, will go through focus.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. But
It will
sir,
take time.
it's
Yes,
if the line is parallel to principal axis after refraction, it will go through focus,
correct,
right?
correct.
Okay, F2, right? F, right.
Yes, no problem in that.
Sorry.
Now we have here two diagrams, and in these two diagrams, if I will ask you guys which, okay, now for example, I'll take example of me and Joshua. Okay, now Joshua is also human, and I am also human. Joshua is also created by God. I am also created by God. But if I will give a stick, the good stick, to Joshua and then same stick to me, so Joshua will not able to bend it because he's young, too young for that, and I can do this because I have more power.
So here we have example in front of you. Two lenses are there. Okay, the first lens is bending the light but taking lots of distance, and the second one is bending the light but it is in the less distance. So more bending is in the second case. Are you
Yes.
with me, guys? More bending is in, like, this is the first case and this is the second case. In the second case there is more bending, so who will have more power, first or second? Second one,
Second.
of course. Yes. So we get one information that power of lens is equals to 1 upon focal length, or 1 upon focal length. Instead of that I will write one thing, is indirectly proportional to the focal length. Now what does this mean? If I will have less focal length means this is the less, no, as compared to this. So if I will have less focal length, the power will be more.
And if I have
And if
more
I have
focal length,
more focal length, then power will be
power
less.
will be less.
Less, yes. Did you understand? No. Now we get one formula, power is equals to 1 upon f in 100, 1 upon f. Okay, now if in the question it is written as meter, like 10 meter, 20 meter, 30 meter, then we have to use this formula. And if it is written as 20 centimeter, 100 centimeter, 60 centimeter, then we have to use this formula. Got it? They both are same thing, but if meter is there, then 1 upon f. If centimeter is there, then 100 upon f.
So,
Yes.
why do we have to use two formulas if we can?
They are not two
Can
formula, they are one formula, but focal length have different unit. That is why we have these two.
Okay.
Okay, they are only one formula. Now listen, guys. Now we learned yesterday, Christiana, if you forgot, can you tell me that yesterday what is convex lens focal length? Is it positive or negative?
Positive, sir.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, sir.
Can we
I'm
log
very
that?
since you reminded me
Akka.
again and again.
Yes, so it's positive. So if focal length is positive in this case, then power will also positive. So it means that the power of convex lens will also be positive. Got it? Say yes or no. In the same way. Yes.
I didn't understand this right now. Teacher.
We learned yesterday that convex lens has a focal length positive,
Yes.
like plus 10, plus
Yeah.
20, plus 30. So in that case power will also be plus, no? There is no subtraction or nothing is there, so power will also
Okay.
be positive. Okay, and if concave lens focal length, Christiana, if you forgot about that, so can you please tell me what is a concave lens focal length?
Negative.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Correct. So it is in negative. Okay. So now power will be
Negative.
very good. It will be negative. Now one more thing I have to say, and then we'll end my line. Okay. The thing is, when you have positive eyes means you cannot see the object near to you clearly. Okay, you have far vision, you are very positive person, means you will have positive power, means you will use convex lens.
Sir,
Yes.
right
So
now you just
let me
said
complete.
this.
Let me complete. Then I will take it out.
Okay.
Positive eyes. Positive eyes means plus 5 plus 2 plus 3 eyes will have positive power lens, hence convex lens. Simple as that. Keep that in mind. See, listen, I am saying again. Okay, please pay attention. Positive eyes, okay, positive eyes, you will use positive power lens, which is convex lens. Negative eyes, for example, Petya, and I don't know, David also, I mean, David is usually computer screen. Anybody, Miraculin. Negative eyes, negative power lens, concave lens. So for example, if one auntie sorry, when auntie will come and will say that I have -2, my eye number is -2, or whatever the number when she says minus in minus, then you will say, yes auntie, I know you are using the concave lens. Got it? Because negative eyes, concave lens. Yes, Agatha, please ask me.
Sir, I left between, so I couldn't understand from the power part.
From the power part, so
No,
the
from the
power
power.
part is this part, no?
Yeah.
This diagram, no? So the thing is, if bending, like here we can see the bending is more. Rest everyone write it down, okay? Rest everyone write it down. Don't listen. I'll explain to Agatha. So if, like in this case, the bending angle is less, no? It is taking lots of distance to bend, and here the bending is more. So more bending means more power. Are you getting my point? So in the same way, power of a lens is indirectly proportional to the focal length. If less focal length is there, then more power is there. That is the main thing that we were talking about. Got it? Okay. And if, for example, I can take one example. My pastor, okay, he cannot read Bible because it is very near to the eyes. Not that much difficulty is there, but yes, the small letters he cannot read. Okay, so for that he is using the specs, and it means that their eyes in positive, because he is very positive. It's a joke. So positive eyes are there. Positive eyes means that which lens he will use. Christiana, if you forgot about it, which lens he will use? Can you tell me?
So, what lens did you say? I didn't catch that.
I said
Convex
that
lens.
he is not able to read the book which is near to him properly. Okay, so it means that he has hypermetropic eye, and hypermetropic eye have positive eyes. Positive eyes. So it means that what lens he will use for correction?
Concave.
Yes. No. No.
No,
Not
wait,
concave.
wait. Positive is convex.
Yes. Positive eyes, positive power, convex lens.
So
Got it?
like I have a doubt. If
Please.
we're finding out the power in meter or centimeter in either lens, we're using the same exact like formula, right?
Yes. 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 We are using the same exact formula. Even if it is in the kilometer, you have to use the same formula. The 100 will become 1000. Simple as that. No, not 1000.
Ah,
1 lakh. I don't go to that beyond. Sorry for that. And one more thing which I forgot. Power here in the lens. I'll write this statement. In the lens, the unit of power is diopter. Diopter, which is written as D. So in the exams, so Monday we'll do 1 or 2 questions for that. So they can ask you 4D. So it's not 3D, 4D, but it's 4 diopter. The power of the lens is 4 diopter, 3 diopter.
so
Okay,
what is
we
diopter?
represent Diopter is unit, like 4 meter, 7 meter, 8 meter, 10 meter. No.
So
Okay,
when we
that
finally
diopter.
get the answer of power, we should write whatever the power we got and diopter.
Bravo. Yes.
Sir, is convex lens focal length positive and power of concave lens minus?
Yes. Concave focal length is negative. Power is also negative. He's very negative person. Power of convex lens is positive because focal length is positive. Very positive person, just like my pastor. So, like, positivity is everywhere. Got it? No? Got it, everyone? Say yes or
Yes.
no?
Yeah.
Yes. Then, done. We are done with the class. One more thing, one information I want to give. Morning, please buy the compass and scale and that what we say. We in Hindi is chan. In English it's called as what is it? Protector. But D protected D or whatever. So please bring your geometry box because we are going to start construction. So we'll start the construction chapter number 11 on Monday or Tuesday onwards. So by Monday I will complete, or otherwise on Tuesday we'll start the construction. I guess construction is not completed, no, Agatha?
No.
Yes.
So
I mean, no, it's not completed. That's why we are doing. Yes, we are doing that chapter on Monday. Yeah.
so tomorrow there is class and we'll start from the
We'll
new
do some
chapter.
question with based on power,
Okay.
and if we
Okay.
have enough time, we'll do that. Otherwise, Rebecca ma'am says, "Sir, you are taking my class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Bye, Betya. Bye, everyone. We'll meet
Sir, just
tomorrow."
one thing. You wrote in the
Yes,
lens.
please.
You wrote in the
Yeah.
lens. Unit of power is depth.
What?
What is DIEPTRE?
It's diopter. Diopter. Okay. I mean, diopter. Diopter. Agatha, can you repeat that? It's not diopter. It's diopter. Okay. So, okay, I hope you have enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off, Abhishek Khair. Sayonara. We'll meet tomorrow. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank
Bye.
you, sir.
Bye,
Bye.
everyone.
Thank you.
Bye.